In this video, I want to show you how to fix the Bluetooth not working on your iPad Air M4 that came out in 2026. There's many different tips I want to share with you. The first thing I always recommend when your iPad is not able to connect to a Bluetooth device, or maybe have other issues with that Bluetooth device and your iPad, is to go into the settings, tap on Bluetooth on the left side, and over here find the Bluetooth device you're having issues with. This is mine, okay? Let's pretend this is the device I'm having issues. It's a Bluetooth speaker. I will tap on the eye icon, forget this device, forget, and
Bluetooth pairing.
the device has been removed from my iPad. Go on the other Bluetooth device, put it in pairing mode. It will appear over here and connect back to it.
Bluetooth connected.
Simply by doing this disconnect and reconnecting can solve many Bluetooth problems. Another thing that you can try doing is to do a force restart of the iPad. Sometimes it's a software issue. How do you do this? Well, you need to do the combination of buttons that I'll show you. Volume up, volume down, and keep press the power button. Keep it pressed until you see the Apple logo appearing in the middle of the display. It may take around 10 seconds, the display will shut down. Wait a few more seconds, keep press. Here we go, the Apple logo. I can release the power button. The iPad is now booting up. You'll have to log in, and fortunately after doing this, you won't have any Bluetooth issue.
Bluetooth connected.
Another trick is to reset the Bluetooth of the iPad. By doing so, you will also reset the Wi-Fi because both are linked together. If you want to do that reset, by the way, no apps will be deleted, nothing, only your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings will be deleted. Go into the settings, go in General on the left side, go down on the right side, select Transfer or Reset iPad, select Reset, and now choose Reset Network Settings. And as it says over here, Reset Network Settings, this will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Click the reset button and you'll have to reconnect your Bluetooth devices you had issues with it. Unfortunately, after doing so, everything will work normally. Another thing that I suggest is if you go into the general settings of your iPad and select software update, if there is an update pending, I highly suggest you install it. Sometimes this can fix many issues that were in the background. If one of these tips worked for you, or if you have any other ones, I want to know. So leave them in the comment section down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.